Hey everyone, welcome. If you're here just to find out how to make your own Wordle and you already know how the puzzle works, you're going to want to go to the website mywordle.me. And when you get there, just make sure that you choose the appropriate language for yourself, and the rest of it I'm sure you can figure out. For people that are new to Wordle, I'm going to show you how to make your puzzle and how to get it to your students and know what the game is like. So as a Spanish teacher, I'm going to choose Spanish, and let's say I want to do the word chico for my word, since that's something we're learning right now. I'll click generate link. I'll get this link to my students, because when they open it up, it'll take them to my new puzzle. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when they guess. So let's say they guess tacos. All right, so what yellow letters mean is that there is a C, at least one C and one O in this puzzle, but they're not in those spots. If it turns green, which you'll see, I think, let me see. Let me try this guess really quick. Okay, I did actor, and again, so the C and the O are in the puzzle, but they're in the wrong spot. Let's do a guess where you can see some green ones. So let's say I guess chavo. Okay, so now I know that the first two letters are CH, the last letters are O, so I just got to figure out those last two letters. I mean, obviously I made the puzzle, so I know it's chico. But there you go, I guessed it, and it tells me I guessed it in 4 of 6. And if you wanted to, you can the students can share that they won the puzzle with you. That's pretty much it. If you guys have questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hasta luego.